It's not a crappie. If it's a crappie, it's giant. Crappie. Carter, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, bud. Come here. Look what I got. Look what I got. That was my first fish of the ice season. Crappie. Alright, get back. Get back. Flying to it. Crappie. Came flying to it. Move, move. Got a bunch more down there, and I unfortunately need bait. Yeah, finally. If they really wanted it, it's not a bad one. Probably 9. It might be a 10-incher. Not very thick though. What do you think? Good girl. Good girl. You good dog. We're catching fish now, Bubba. We're catching fish now. That's all Dad wanted to do today was catch some fish. I feel like he can do this. Just crushed it. Oh, there's another one down there too. Absolutely just flew to it. What is this? This is a little bigger. Maybe a bass. Yep, gotta be sweet. Gotta be a bass. That's cool. Not bad. No, stop. It's not a bad bass. Got my hand all wet because of him, but we'll take it. That's not a bad bass at all. What do you think, Dakota? Oh yeah, coming in hot. Yep. Yeah, baby. This came flying in. Absolutely wanted it. Big old bluegill, dang. I mean, it's not a giant bluegill by any means, but it is a... No, no. Dakota, come here. Where are you going? Dakota trying to go off on an adventure on her own, I guess. You goofball. What are you thinking? What were you thinking, huh? You said, Dad, there's people over there. Oh, wow, look at this. This fish is flying in. Oh, my God. It just slacklined me. Get back. You say bye. Bye-bye, fishy. It's gone. It's gone. Watch out. Down the hole we go. See if we can't catch another. Hey, one of these gotta be there, right? Stop. Stop. Wow. My Panoptics didn't actually even have time to completely like figure out what was going on. It got there so fast. Came flying up again, crappie here. They're munching today, that's for sure. I'd say that fish really wanted it. He was flying around it, and I was pulling it away from him. I'd say one of these will eat it. Oh, that's almost keepable. No, come here. No. Dakota. A little better one. That one's probably pushing 10. That's gotta be another bass. Yep. Okay, cool. Get back. Not getting another hand wet here. Or glove wet. Goodness gracious. It wouldn't stop. Stop it. No. That's cool. Stop. Second bass of the day. That's cool. I ain't gonna complain about catching bass. They're fun. That's a little better. Okay, that just kind of came out of nowhere. Get back. Crappie just came out of nowhere on me. You say bye? Okay. Just wanted it. My goodness. Pretty aggressive for your size there, bud. Oh, I bonked his head. There, finally. My God. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. No, don't bite it. No. You can't. No, leave it. No, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Stop. Oh my God. White crappie. Oh damn, this thing wanted it too. I can get into a bunch of white crappies. A little more meat and generally a bigger. That's a 10-inch white crappie. Catch some more like some 12s, I'd be happy. Way the hell up there. Almost immediately. One punch. And went right on top of them, basically. A little bigger. Freaking surface. Basically at the top of the hole. Okay, well, this is what I was looking for all day. Couldn't find it at the first spot. Oh, that might be the saw guy. Oh my God. It's not a crappie. If it's a crappie, it's giant. This might be a catfish. Yep. Big old kitty. Okay, I understand now. I understand why you guys hate her so much. Alright. Damn. That was fun. It's not even that big of one, but I'll take that all day.